Hello students, today we will study about political parties. This is chapter 6 of class 10th. We have studied that a political party is a group of people who come together, contest election and make a government. And there are three components of political parties: the active leader, the active members, and the followers. And most important function of political parties is to contest election. If they win, they make the government. If they lose, they sit in the opposition. They form public opinion. It is their main function. Now the question arises, why we need political parties? We need political parties that if there is no political party, then every candidate in the election will be independent candidate. He will be responsible for the constituency, but he will not be able to form government in the country. Now there is assignment for you. You can solve it. Question is, define political parties. Number 2, what are components of political parties? Number 3, what is the meaning of partisan? Number 4, what are the functions of political parties? Now question arises, how many parties should we have in a country? In a democracy, any group of citizens is free to form a political party. And in India, more than 75 parties are registered with the Election Commission of India. Usually, only a handful of parties are effective in the race of winning elections and forming the government. So, we can say that in a democracy, so many parties can be made, but in India 750 political parties are registered with Election Commission, but only few parties are effective to contest election and form government. In some countries only one party is there. They contest the election and make the government. Example of such parties is China. There is one party system. But in some democracies there are only two parties. They are USA, UK and Australia. But if a democracy is successful, there should be at least two parties. So we have two party system in USA, UK and Australia. But in India we have multi-party system. But government is made by some parties. If no party gets majority in the election, then it is called coalition government. In India we have three type of alliances. They are NDA, UPA and Left Front. If no party gets majority, then government is made by any one of the alliance. National political parties. Now question arises, which parties are called national political parties? There are some countrywide parties which are called national parties. These parties have their units in various states. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. These parties are given a unique symbol. Only the official candidates of that party can use that symbol. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly election and in four states and wins at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha is recognized as national party. So we can say that which party gets 6% vote in Lok Sabha or state assembly election or at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha, that is called national party. But what is a state party? State party is that secures at least 6% of the total votes in a state and wins at least two seats in any state. Party is called state party. So we can say a party, state party, which gets at least 6% votes and two seats in state assembly. These are commonly referred as regional parties like Samajwadi Party, Samta Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal. They have national level political organization with units in several states. Some of these parties like BJU, Janata Dal, Sikkim Democratic States identify over last 3 decades. The number and the strength of these parties has expanded. Since 1996, nearly every one of the state party has got an opportunity to be a part of one or the other national level coalition government. Now there is an assignment for you. Please solve it. Question: which parties can be called national party? Which parties can be called state parties? Number 3. Give example of one party system. In which country there is one party system? Number 4. In which countries we have two party system? Number 5. Name one political alliance in India. Thank you and have a nice day.